Mercedes has just done the unthinkable. A hypertech motorcycle that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie, with insane speed, AI-driven performance, and next-gen aerodynamics. This is the 2025 Mercedes HyperTech Motorcycle, an engineering masterpiece that redefines the future of two-wheelers. Buckle up, because in this video, we're diving into the mind-blowing design, technology, and performance of this beast. Let's get started. First things first, the design. The 2025 Mercedes HyperTech Motorcycle looks like a concept bike that just came to life. The body is sculpted with aerospace-grade carbon fiber, giving it an ultra-light yet super strong structure. Those aggressive LED matrix headlights. Pure Mercedes DNA, inspired by their Vision EQ hypercars. And check this out, active aerodynamics. The bike has adaptive winglets that adjust in real time based on speed and lean angle, giving you unmatched stability at high speeds. Now, let's talk about the tech, because this is where Mercedes flexes its muscles. The HyperTech motorcycle comes with an AI-powered digital cockpit, featuring a holographic HUD that projects real-time data directly onto your visor. No more looking down at a dashboard, your speed, navigation, and even race analytics are right in front of you. But that's not all. This bike has biometric sensors that monitor your heart rate and stress levels, automatically adjusting ride modes for a safer experience. And yes, it even has voice commands, so you can control settings hands-free. Alright, let's talk about what really matters, performance. Underneath that sleek body lies a hydrogen-electric hybrid powertrain, delivering a jaw-dropping 250 horsepower. That's superbike territory. And thanks to instant torque delivery, it rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds. The secret? Mercedes' innovative Hyperflow battery system, which provides lightning-fast energy discharge while maintaining efficiency. Plus, the bike's lightweight carbon titanium frame keeps the weight under 400 pounds, making it one of the most agile motorcycles ever built. Now, with great power comes great responsibility, and Mercedes has packed this bike with next-gen safety features. The AI-driven adaptive stability control automatically adjusts traction, suspension, and braking to match your riding style and road conditions. And for those high-speed rides, you get collision detection and auto-braking, along with a self-balancing gyroscopic system that prevents tip-overs at low speeds. It's like having an invisible safety net. Let's talk about sound, because this is where Mercedes has truly innovated. The HyperTech motorcycle features an augmented reality exhaust system, meaning you can customize your bike's sound profile. Want it to roar like an AMG V8? Or purr like a futuristic EV? The choice is yours. And the riding experience? Absolutely thrilling. The bike comes with adjustable riding modes, from Eco to Hyper Track, giving you full control over power delivery and handling. Now, the big question, how much does this futuristic beast cost? Well, Mercedes hasn't officially revealed the price yet, but insiders suggest it could start at around $120,000, making it one of the most premium motorcycles ever built. And the exclusivity? Only 1,000 units will be produced worldwide, making it a collector's dream. So, what do you think about the 2025 Mercedes HyperTech motorcycle? Is this the future of motorcycles, or has Mercedes gone too far? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to Auto World for more insane automotive content. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest hypercars, superbikes, and future tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.